Turner Designs Hydrocarbon Instruments is proud to announce the release of its latest product, the TD120. With over 20 years of application knowledge and design experience, the TD120 is designed to measure hydrocarbons from the low parts per billion through 6,000 parts per million, depending on the target. The features of the TD120 are designed so they are easy to operate and easy to commission, with a low-cost design and a robust construction. For the robust measurement of hydrocarbons in water, the TD120 uses both fluorescence and absorption technologies. This achieves the indication of hydrocarbons in water from the low parts per billion up through about 6,000 parts per million, depending on the target hydrocarbon. Because the fluorescence response is immediate, and because the TD120 uses no chemicals, reagents, or other sample homogenization, the TD120 will respond to a step change in hydrocarbon concentration in about 3 seconds. The long life LED of the TD120 will last for over 5 years without maintenance. Also, the absorption technology will be able to indicate the presence of high water turbidity or a fouled flow cell condition. For a long lifespan in a challenging field environment, the TD120 is made from all 316 stainless steel and quartz welded parts with reinforced process connections. The enclosure of the TD120 is also made from 316 stainless steel and has a NEMA 4X design. The components of the instrument are modular for easy field replacement without assistance from the factory, and factory calibration is available for a new flow cell for quick installation. Local operators will find that the TD120's display and function keys are easy to use to see the current concentration, a data plot of recent measurements, as well as all alarms, events, and diagnostics. The cell condition monitor included with the TD120 can be used to indicate if the flow cell is clean or dirty. The sample injection point allows a validation solution to be inserted to the instrument as well. Should cleaning be needed, a few options are available. First is the automatic water flush port, and the second is a manual clean out port on the top of the flow cell. A touch screen tablet is installed inside the TD120's enclosure for calibration and commissioning. Without the need to adjust an air panel or a sensitivity knob, the calibration and commissioning is a simple step-by-step menu-driven operation. Because the tablet is used only during the actual calibration and commissioning, the TD120 will operate normally should the tablet be missing or damaged. The major components of the TD120 can be changed in the field without the instrument coming out of service. The flow cell and the flush valve both have quick disconnectors, while the tablet and the display are easy to change as well. Local operators will appreciate the diagnostics, data log, and event log stored inside the TD120. They'll also appreciate the fact that there is a micro SD card with a duplicate data storage. When troubleshooting is needed, the micro SD card can be removed from the TD120. The text files for this troubleshooting support emailed to a local service engineer. When the micro SD card is reinserted, the data log, event log, and diagnostics will be synchronized with internal data. Calibration data is stored on the flow cell itself. When the instrument is ordered with the factory calibration, a replacement flow cell can ship from the factory with the exact same calibration for easy hot swap as needed. Ordering and specifying a TD120 is quite simple. There are only two optical configurations available, the deep UV and the near UV. Deep UV is for measurement of refined hydrocarbons or applications that need the highest sensitivity available. The near UV is measuring of crude oils or heavy fuels and highest concentrations available. We do have an additional HART output that can be added to the 4 to 20 milliamp a small sample pump for low pressure processes, a sample cooler for high temperature, and for seawater services, we have a wetted part available that is compatible with seawater. The TD120 is designed for detection of oil at low concentrations in mostly clean water service. For instance, lubricating oils, hydraulic oils, transformer, turbine oils all can be detected in cooling water services. Likewise, heavy fuels, crude oil, and such can be measured in steam condensates at a refinery or power plant. The TD120 is also good for protection of intake waters to desalination plants to protect the reverse osmosis membranes or other systems from fouling, municipal water, and boiler feed water makeup where the source is a river or a lake or ocean. The TD120 can be used in wastewater processes where there's a batch process or a polishing filter. Thank you very much for your time today. If you'd like any further information or details about our easy-to-use sample analyzers, our instrumentation for hazardous areas or dirty water services, please follow the links below for our email address or our webpage. Have a great day.